Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video to share my today's trades. So let's get started. This first one is EUR-AUD. After the Aussie news came out very strong, Aussie started to get strong, and EUR-AUD and Pound-AUD went down. So this is these are the two of my favorite pairs. So this is 660 pip to the downside in EUR-AUD, and Pound-AUD 150 pip again to the downside by the book entry. My entry is sell order is here. SL move to break even plus. Another trade I had is EUR-CAD. CAD was getting strong as well, so 125 pip to the downside here, and as well as I have a gold trade here, a little small trade to the downside from 1910 to 1902. So these are four trades for today, and EUR-AUD and Pound-AUD I posted on my Telegram as well. So you see that EA and GA making short. So this is my code words, EA, GA, EUR-AUD and Pound-AUD, making short setups. This is the one, and went down 160 pip. This is the one on Pound-AUD, went down 150 pip, right? So when you subscribe, you join my group, you will be a part of this Telegram group as well. And if you like my system and you want to get it, you want to learn it, then you go on my website here, creativetradingsystems.com. And here you will find different things, monthly subscription, and all of that. But if you want to master this business, trading business, including every single thing, like stocks, bonds, commodities, and currencies, whatever, then including like the studies like Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, SNL level, trend lines, and Fibonacci tool, how to use it properly, every single thing I teach, and I teach in this one-on-one course, which is 10 hours over the Zoom, personally me teaching you. Right. So, and after that, imagine you will become a master of not only my strategy and you taking the trades the way I'm taking, but also the whole trading business. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the trading week.